Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ahi again, and today I have another unboxing video, and this time it's this one by Look Fantastic. Everything you want to know about this monthly subscription, I will be linking it down below. So let's begin with the unboxing, and as always you have here a magazine, and you get to see the products that you've got with a bit of a description and some other products that you can buy from their website. Also in this box I've got the ELLE magazine for merch, which I found to be really amazing, and thank you Look Fantastic for that. And now going into the actual products. I'll start with this hand balm by Rituals. It's a cherry blossom and rice milk. It smells so nice. I'll just apply it on my hands. It has a rich formula. It's not sticky. It smells brilliant. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. It knocks you out. It's so nice. So it leaves the skin smooth, it doesn't stick, it's not heavy on your hands, and I found that nice what they say here. Celebrate each day as new beginning. That's nice. Next product will be a lip balm by ELLE. I have, I think, like 3 or 4 of them. They're really nice, they're really soft, they make your lips look healthy, and I can really recommend that. The next thing will be, is this a face cream? Yes, this is a face cream, and it says to apply a few drops to face AM and PM. It's by The Ordinary. It's with Hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. A hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. Well, I've never used a face cream by them or any product. It comes in a small bottle. It smells, I don't know, I think it doesn't smell it. I guess I will use it sometime, but right now I'm using something else. As I said on other videos, I'm a bit picky when it comes down on using other new products on my face, from foundation to face creams or skincare, because I have a really sensitive skin and I will like instantly break out and get this redness and dryness and all that stuff, and I really you know, I'm really carefully on what I use, and I prefer, you know, to use like the products that I'm using like the last 10 years. Yeah, so but I think I will try it, and maybe sometime I'll let you know what my thoughts are about it. But if you ever try it, it's by The Ordinary. Please let me know in the comments below if it worked for you, because I'm really curious. So the next thing I have is a highlighter by Morphe. I find that to be quite nice that I get something by Morphe on one of my boxes. It has like this gold rose shade. Let's see how it looks. It seems to be quite pigmented, and I think it will work quite nice on the lids as well. The next product is a cleansing foam by Omorovicza. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. If I don't, please forgive me. If you guys ever used something like that, also let me know in the comments below. But I don't know, I've never used it, so I have no idea. So let me just look that up. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white lupin to energize the skin and detoxifying copper gluconate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. How to use: lightly moisten face and apply a pearl-sized amount. Massage into damp skin with a circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. As I said, if you use this product, leave me a comment below. So now the last product that I have, it's an anti-pollution charcoal and matte repair mask. This one by MÁDARA Organic Skincare Smart, I think. This is the packaging. Also, as the other products, I haven't used it before, so again, if you know the brand, if you use this product, please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about it. So yeah, those were the products that I've got by Look Fantastic in my subscription box for this month. More videos like that will be coming in the next months as well. But as always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!